If you like to do long distance trips on a chain-driven motorcycle, especially if those trips involve getting the bike a bit dirty, then chain maintenance on the road is something you're going to have to think about. Most chain-driven bikes specify that the chain should be cleaned and lubed between 500 to 800 miles, depending on the bike manufacturer. And if the chain gets wet or dirty, they recommend that it's done even more often. But that doesn't mean you need to pack big full-size cans of all your chain cleaning equipment when you hit the road. Everything that I bring with me fits in this nice little pouch here that's easy to stow away in my luggage, doesn't take up much room. So let me show you what I bring. In a little Ziploc baggie, wrapped all up, I have some disposable gloves, a couple of cut down rags, a little bottle that I filled up with gear oil for lubing the chain. And for cleaning the chain, I carry a little spray can of WD-40 and a Tyrox brush. The Tyrox brushes are what I use at home in the garage, but they're so compact that I carry one on the go with me as well. Now, there are certainly better chain cleaners on the market than WD-40, but I like that you can get these small size cans and they do work in a pinch. No harm in using them when you're on the go. And while gear oil does get messier and doesn't last as long as some of the commercial chain lubricants that are on the market, it's very convenient to put it in a smaller bottle to carry with you on the go. Now, when you're ready to clean your chain, if you're out camping like I am, don't clean your chain at your campsite or anywhere in public, state, federal forest lands or anything like that. Find yourself a gas station that already has a nasty parking lot that it's not going to make a difference if you drip a little oil or get some overspray on the ground. Don't be doing that out here. Until next time, folks, thanks for watching and ride safe.